Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Flipper Zero's Wi-Fi capabilities. First, you'll need a Wi-Fi development board, as the Flipper Zero itself doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi for network interaction. This board, often based on an ESP32 chip, connects directly to your Flipper Zero's general-purpose input/output pins. You'll then flash specialized firmware like Marauder onto the dev board and install its companion application on your Flipper Zero. This setup unlocks powerful Wi-Fi analysis tools. One powerful Wi-Fi function is performing deauthentication attacks. This involves sending specially crafted deauthentication packets to a target device, forcing it to disconnect from its Wi-Fi network. This technique is often used in security assessments to test network resilience or to capture a four-way handshake, which can then be analyzed for password cracking. Remember, this should only be done on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Beyond deauthentication, the Flipper Zero with its Wi-Fi dev board can perform packet sniffing. This allows you to capture raw Wi-Fi traffic, saving it as PCAP files directly onto your Flipper's micro SD card for later analysis. You can also engage in war driving, which involves scanning and mapping Wi-Fi networks as you move. Adding a global positioning system module provides precise location data, enhancing your network reconnaissance efforts significantly. It is crucial to use the Flipper Zero's Wi-Fi capabilities responsibly and ethically. This device is a powerful tool for learning and security research, not for malicious activities. Always ensure you have explicit permission before interacting with any network or device that isn't your own. Adhering to local laws and ethical guidelines is paramount to avoid legal consequences and promote responsible technology use. Happy and safe exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.